Hi, welcome to Wendy's Cottage Life. I was just getting ready to clean the glue off of this jar after having removed the label, and I realized that I might have a tip that some of you guys could use. I like to use sweet orange oil. I like to try to stay away from petrochemicals as much as possible, and so I found that this is a good alternative product for when I need to remove sticky things. So I'll just go ahead and get started here and show you how it's done. I take sweet orange oil. This is a pure essential oil, nothing else added. I drop it straight onto my goop, and I don't worry about it getting on my hands. The only thing you need to make sure of is don't rub your eyes after having this on your hands. You gotta wash your hands really good afterwards. But it's not gonna hurt you. It smells great. I'm really getting my thumbs into this here and working that oil into the glue. I also like to use the orange oil to clean up after waxing my legs. Any of you who have waxed before probably know what a pain it is to clean up drips from the wax. So yeah, I use this. I keep some of this orange oil in the bathroom as well, and I just drop that straight onto the tile where there's wax drips and work it into the drips, and then I can just wipe it off and then take a little bit of spray cleaner and then get the remaining oil off the floor. All right, this it's kind of tacky, but the orange oil has thinned out the glue at this point. And so I'm just gonna now take some soap and put it straight onto this kind of softened gluey area. Okay, yeah, I have added a couple squirts of soap here. I'm going to work that in, and I don't know if you can see, but when you're doing this, you can start to feel the goop moving, like it's still on the glass, but it's not stuck anymore. And I have some little globs of it now that have been freed. I'm also taking my nail and scraping a little bit. Okay, so now that everything is loosened up, I can just take this straight to my sink, run some nice warm water, and rinse it off, and then we'll see where we're at. Okay, this is mostly cleaned now. You can probably see I haven't cleaned the back side of this, so you're seeing that through. But you might notice there's a little bit of a haze still here. But I can either take my dish scrubber with a good amount of soap and scrub that off easily, or I can add another little bit of orange oil and then take this back to the sink for one more soapy scrub, and this will be done. So I'll go do that and I'll be back. Okay, I am quite happy with this. You can see here this side is nice and clear. I'm not gonna bother you with the back side of this, but this is gonna make a nice little jar, and I hope you enjoy that tip. I've been really happy with it. I've been using this stuff for a couple years now, and it just smells so good, and I feel really good about using it. Bye, see you next time.